मैं इंडिया आया 4-5 महीने की बैकपैकिंग ट्रिप करने के लिए। उस दौरान मैंने इंडिया के बहुत सारे गाँव और शहरों में जाके काफ़ी वक्त गुजारा और तब दो चीज़ें मुझे बहुत क्लियरली समझ में आई। One was the impact of climate change, which was going to impact the marginalized people the most, and we needed to do something urgently to address it. Second, fair and equitable access to energy was a difference, or is going to be a difference between the opportunities and survival for millions of people. To address that, I decided not to go back to Europe and settle down in India. उस दौरान मेरी मुलाकात मेरे को-फाउंडर डॉक्टर रोचन सिन्हा से हुई, जो कि पटना बिहार से हैं और उन्होंने अपनी पीएचडी नेदरलैंड्स में की थी मटेरियल साइंस पे। We both decided to set up Nutrace in Bangalore. We started from a small apartment, जहाँ हमने 1-2 साल काम किया. And very quickly we developed India's first membraneless electrolyzer, which doesn't use any critical metal, which does not use any rare earth metal, and yet produces hydrogen. Our electrolyzers does the very simple thing. It splits water into oxygen and hydrogen, and the hydrogen then goes to be used as a fuel to decarbonize heavy industries. But because of the advanced materials that we develop, it has a very high efficiency and a low cost of production of hydrogen. This was one of the fastest development of a technology, of such technology in this country, and we have deployed our product with public sector companies. Since then, we have developed and grown into a 50-member team. We have raised venture capital, and we have also received, I think we are the only startup to have received PLI under the National Green Hydrogen Mission to manufacture electrolyzers in this country. The startup ecosystem has evolved quite a lot in the last many years, particularly for deep tech. I think there is a genuine optimism and belief that we can build our future in this country right now. Yet there are many challenges, primarily patient capital at growth stages for deep tech companies, talent conviction कि deep tech बनेगा कि नहीं बनेगा. I think precision manufacturing needs to be worked on. And most importantly, I think it's the market belief on Indian deep tech products. We need to trust our products better. A bet that Indian startup ecosystem was ready for deep tech development. The bet has paid off for me and for my co-founder. I hope the bet pays off for all the founders in this room solving for hard problems. Our aspiration is that we develop critical technologies and export it to the world for energy and climate solution. And we are ready to build that future in India. I would like to congratulate everyone on 10 years of Startup India, and I hope the next 10 years are even bigger. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Our fifth startuppreneur is Laina Emmanuel, the co-founder and CEO of Brainsight.ai, a Bengaluru-based startup combining AI and neuroscience to enable greater precision in neurological and psychiatric investigation. With more than 15 years of experience across healthcare management, policy and consulting, Laina has worked with the Government of India, the Clinton Health Access Initiative, and technology leaders like NetApp and Cisco. Brainsight.ai currently works with more than 40 leading hospitals in India, especially in neurosurgery and radiology for brain tumor cases. May I invite Laina Emmanuel to share her journey.
माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी एंड सभी अतिथिगण को मेरा नमस्कार. मेरा नाम लाइना इमैनुअल है. जस्ट अ लिटिल बिट अबाउट माई सेल्फ. मेरा जन्म भारत की राजधानी दिल्ली में हुआ था. मेरा परिवार इंडिया के दक्षिण स्रोत से है, केरला, एंड माई हस्बैंड्स फैमिली इज फ्रॉम असम. So when I stand here, I not only stand here as the founder CEO of Brainsight AI, I also
सर्वाधिक लोकप्रिय नेता, राष्ट्र निर्माण को समर्पित, भारत और विश्व में एक नई ऊर्जा और विश्वास भारत के प्रति जिन्होंने तैयार की है, जिन्होंने उसको बल दिया है, ऐसे हम सब के प्रिय श्रद्धेय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी को स्टार्टअप इंडिया इनिशिएटिव के 10 वर्ष पूरे होने पर हम सब की तरफ से ढेर सारी बधाई, ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। और आज के इस महत्वपूर्ण समारोह में आपका स्वागत है सर। व्यापार जगत के प्रतिनिधिगण, स्टार्टअप इंडिया परिवार के सभी सदस्य, इनोवेटर्स, इंक्यूबेटर्स, एक्सेलरेटर्स, मेरे युवा भाई और बहनों, आप सभी का हार्दिक स्वागत। एक दशक पहले माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी, आपने देश के समक्ष एक नई सोच रखी थी। आपने कहा था, मैं भारत के युवाओं को नौकरी खोजने वाले से नौकरी देने वाले के बदलाव में चाहता हूं। हम सबको गर्व है कि आपके नेतृत्व में देश भर में यह बदलाव साफ दिखाई दे रहा है। 2016